Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've recently changed your phone number or upgraded your device, and now you're not getting those verification codes from Microsoft, don't worry. Today's quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to change or update your phone number on your Hotmail or Outlook email account, step by step. This is super important for keeping your account secure and avoiding login issues. So let's jump right in. First, open any web browser on your computer or mobile device and go to the official Outlook or Microsoft 365 login page. Click on the Sign In button, then enter your Hotmail or Outlook email address and password. If you have two-step verification turned on, make sure to complete that process using your current method before continuing. Once you're successfully logged in, look at the top right corner of the Outlook homepage. You'll see your profile avatar or name. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select My Profile. This will take you to your Microsoft account settings page. Now, in your profile dashboard, click on Your Info. Here, you'll find all your personal details linked to your account, like your name, email addresses, and phone numbers. Scroll down until you see the phone number section. Click the Edit or Manage how you sign in to Microsoft link. From here, you can add a new phone number or replace your old one. Type in your new number carefully. Double check that it's correct because Microsoft will send a verification code to confirm it. Once you receive the code, enter it to verify and save the changes. Finally, review your contact details to ensure everything looks right. That's it. You've successfully updated your phone number. From now on, all your security alerts and verification messages will go to your new number, keeping your Hotmail account safe and up to date. And that's how easy it is to change your phone number on your Hotmail or Outlook account. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick and useful tech guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.